some experience. I don't. So
Martin, I will pick out no. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, I got one. Oh, 4, 5.
go in the taffy.
Okay, come on. I go first. Ready? What kind of are you doing? Star deck? Okay, this one.
For Walter.
I love this one.
Two cards.
10 plus 30 is.
3 hands at the bottom.
What's 10
They're all
plus
the same
30?
numbers.
40? 50. No, it's 40. Is 10 plus 30 40?
What? 10 plus 30?
Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, man, I thought it was 50. Okay, I'll talk about those. It does 50 damage.
It's 2 for Colker.
What? It does 50 damage to you. No. Yeah.
Are you trying to cheat him?
No. This said 30 plus 10 equals no 50. I said 10 plus 30. 30.
That's 40.
He said 50.
That's 30.
30. I said that's 30.
I know, but that's 40. Like total, it's 40.
I don't want to tell time. Okay.
That's math, not
I'm
time.
math.
Why are you trying to cheat him, huh?
I'm not.
Oh, my bad. You got a normal deck?
No.
Why not? Hell,
You have a lightning, he has a normal.
Yeah, I have that.
Good job.
This video is sponsored by Nerd Labs. At Nerd Labs, we carry all kinds of Final Fantasy TCG singles. If we don't have the card, it's probably because, I don't know, somebody's already bought it. We carry everything from promos all the way from Opus 1 to Opus 21. Every single day, prices are updated to be 10% cheaper than whatever is TCG Player low. So get your singles while you can. Back to the video.
Or Carson playing.
I'm not calling. He's calling.
That's what I'm saying.
Come on, Colin. Let's do it.
I'll use this.
Yeah. Look down. 30 plus. Okay, 30 plus 20. 30 plus 20. 1, 2. 50. Does 50 damage? No. And 1200 plus 30 plus 20. And
get my coin crystal. And then attack.
okay. 59.
And then Walter.
I'll place down. 59. I'll place down this one. Connor, this one's already dead because I attacked it. Wait, your turn? You killed this one. No, you killed this one. No, you killed this one as well.
And that's turn. Got 2
And
crystals.
then lightning. Both of these attack. 60 plus 220.
I was half of
Oh.
60 plus 220.
Walter.
Detroitious.
120. That's
Should catch it.
Cecil will play Noctis.
50.
Oh.
50 damage.
Noctis will search
150
for
damage. So, a Bobo, what's 60 plus 200, 120? What's 60 plus 200? You mean 30?
What's this guy here?
Arts like a dream.
You don't want the telephone. That is 30.
What a broken card.
You said 60.
Ditch the Regis.
Don't
Or
treat my
anybody
cards
else.
like that.
We'll give them a shot.
You're not treating your cards like that. Cheeto. I'll attack with these 2. And it takes those 2 down. Well. So,
Well,
what's that?
I can get out the bell.
The vacuum?
I believe I will pass
Well,
through.
pow.
And go to
Well, pow. Well, pow. Well, pow. Well, pow. Well, pow. And I will attack
That's
you.
in here.
And I
Walk
get
through.
someone. You can place all of those down.
Opus.
He's only got 7.
He's got 9.
Oh, that's right.
Four.
Oh,
Because he
And
can
swing
fly.
ready.
Because I attacked with these, and it will take that one and this one down. No, yeah, it will attack this one. I attacked you. I know, I attacked you. But you can't add that much
He didn't
courage
attack
to the
you, he attacked
battlefield.
you.
Yes, I can. No, you can't.
Lady Lilith.
You only can add 4 to the battlefield. I'll let you like that. Now, wipe all of your cards out. You can't do that. Yep, I'll wipe your cards out.
Kill that. Does he bump?
Yeah,
It's all
you
fours,
probably have to
right?
rub up
Or
on
is it
one
just
of your
third?
It is all forwards.
Yeah.
It's all fours.
Whoop, down.
How was he up? DK.
Whoop,
Used to
down.
forward.
Whoop,
Yeah,
down.
it's all
Whoop,
forward.
down. Whoop, down.
Three, waiting.
Whoop, down. And I attack you. Connor, be quiet. They're doing a video.
Faster.
I'll attack you.
Three of us? You do
No
one?
way.
Yes. You don't have any EXs in this thing?
I have one DX.
Is that okay?
I
On
have
page 2 for YouTube. If you
Connor
go
has a
up
GX.
parts,
Oh,
Three.
you only use one. I'll remove 1/4. Other than they live from the game. Crystal, you can only use this ability. Let's make 4.
and I'll enter.
Upon
I'm
entry.
gonna go use the
Sucks. I'm about to.
This deck is horrible.
Remove 2. Down to 4. For.
Why do I have this ice cream?
And remove 2 more for Eefy.
See, your problem is you don't got Seifert, you don't got Raji, you don't got nobody out here. That's because I haven't got any one of those. Oh, you have one of each of you?
Okay.
None of them are there. None of them are here. Yes, there is. Wait. Right there. You need him out there. You need him out there. Then when you draw, then you need Seifert. Let's see. No Seifert at all.
I'm about to.
She bumps everything
That's
except her
horrible.
butt.
Give me one out of the bags. Like you said, her
He's
bags.
a 9.
Yeah. Matter of fact, keep that up yourself.
Then we're not.
These are that one. That's not even the back of me. You said these are all bad, right?
Tap 2.
Some of them are. Some of them are.
Titan. Noctis.
Damn it.
I was holding it.
This is One Piece.
He'll search
This
out.
deck.
It's One Piece. Why are my sleeves in a One Piece deck? Which sleeve? My Final Fantasy sleeve. Oh, I have more. I should put One Piece together. Gosh darn it. What deck is this?
Swing play. Bastards.
I'll use this one. Why did you tell me to get this one? Said clean it up yourself, pal. Big mama. Pretty big.
Placenta, ditching 2, which you one character. Skill range. And Pester.
This thing's at 100 cards. Have you ever thought there's more than 100 cards in there? Yeah. Because of the girls. There's 60 cards in a One Piece deck, so that's 120. Okay, what's first? Just been making the shuffling. Oh, didn't need to throw that card out there. Let me just put it on the top.
Okay, buddy.
Are you the actual use this time? I got a deck I know how to use now. I'm not a fan of all that ton of cards. With the block walls. I know how to use the deck, but I can't use it when I'm doing the things I need.
Tap 1. Ditch 2. Ignis. And then I'll
Look, it's a dog.
put it back up by controlling the break zone. Choose Chantoda. Break it.
And then lay it
Her
low.
name's
Yeah, with that.
The one with the back bottoms or?
Prompt of that.
That's Riley. Who does the
She old?
how old she is.
Just did roll. Prompto.
That's one who
So you control Noctis, he gains 2k in haste. Draw Ignis and light off any attacks, draw 2 cards.
Charlie the dog.
No! It's Dante.
Yeah, Crystal.
No, it's you. It's Dante and Charlie. It's you. No, it's Dante and Charlie. No, it's Dante and Charlie. Hey, Robo, pet Bruno, pet Bruno.
Show the dogs.
Alright, let's see it.
I really drew 2 cards.
If they weren't like 9k bodies, it would be alright.